And
the card.
Tutu.
That's the card. It says, "Happy birthday, Ellie. Love, Aunt Ritu."
You want to open it?
Can you open? Ellie, can you open? What color is that? What color?
Yay!
Let's get her out of the box. Oh no, it's one of those.
Oh, good.
Yes, it's going to be your baby if we can open it. Oh good, it's not too bad. Not like some of Ben's
Baby.
toys. I'm hurrying. Baby.
Yay!
Hi, baby. Okay. Baby. Baba?
Uh-huh.
Is it baby?
Yeah, it's a baby.
Baby?
Yeah, that's a baby. That's right.
This is a baby.
That's right. Tutu gave you the baby.
Okay.
Can you say thank you?
Yeah.
You should send that to her.
Yeah, I'm gonna do
This
it.
is this. The baby. The baby.
It's a pretty baby. Is she?
Do you want to hug the baby?
Yay!
The baby.
Baby has a hat.
Baby's a hat.
Yeah.
This the baby. Hi, baby. Get the best.
You.
She's got feet.
Hands.
Can you give baby a kiss? Yay!
The baby.
Yay.
Do you like that toy?
Toy. The baby.
Mm-hmm.
Baby.
It's a baby.